No need to write anything. Good morning, everyone. Take out your English textbook. You will get ready with your English pathway course book, and we will today underline our action words in our book only. Okay, today we are going to learn how we are using the action words in sentences. As I told you that when an action is being continued, at that time we add ing. So over here on the board also you can see that each and every action word has been written with ing, because here the work in the picture on page number 41. Everyone please open page number 41, everyone. And here you can see in the image, we can see that the work or the task is been going on. It is in a continuous form. Okay, so that's why we are adding ing with our action words. So first of all, anyone who has not understood what is action word, can you tell me? Anyone who has still not understood what is action word? If you are having any problem with the action word part, you can ask me. Anyone, any doubts regarding the explanation of action word? What is action word and all those things? Anyone? Okay. So students, everyone. Ma'am, I. Aishwarya. Aishwarya, last day you attended the class. According to my attendance sheet, you have attended the class last day when I was explaining. Then okay, so Aishwarya, I will just summarize the explanation, because today we are going to have the next class and we are going to use the action word in the sentence according to our textbook. Okay, so action words are those words which need some movements. Okay, like if you are eating, then what you have to do? You have to move your hand from plate to the mouth. So it is an action. If you are sitting, you have to change your posture from standing to, you have to fold your legs, and then after you have to sit, right? When you are playing, what you are doing? You are moving your hands, your legs, right? Sometimes you are running, then your legs are in movement. So any type of movement, any type of action are known as verbs, and in a very simple language they are known as action words. Okay, or doing words. Okay, now understood? Now let us go for the next part. Page number 41, chapter number 32. You can see what are they doing. So here the topic is what are they doing. That means here the done word, doing word has been given more emphasized. So we can say action words or doing words. Okay students? So here I am going to read sentences which is on page number 41 and 42, and we are going to underline the doing words or action words. I have written on the board for all of you which are the action words or doing words, and you will take your pencil and you will mark it. So all of you please turn on the camera. No one will turn on the microphone, only camera. Only camera. Yeah. Everyone turn on the camera. Everyone is ready with their book? Everyone is ready with their book? Yeah. Very good. So get ready with your pencil and eraser. And the word which I will tell you, you will just underline that word. Is it clear students? You will just underline that word. Pencil diye oi word take shudhu underline korbe. Okay, very good. Now let's start. Don't put your pencil in your mouth, Moyuk Majhi. এই সময়টা কোনো কিছু খাবার জিনিস ছাড়া কোনো কিছু মুখে দেবে না। Nothing should be put in your mouth except your food, which is eatable. Come on, let's start. So the first sentence is, Mummy is cooking the food. Mummy is cooking the food. So underline cooking. Underline cooking. COOKING. Okay, underline cooking. Next sentence. Here again one action is going on. Father is reading the newspaper. Father is reading the newspaper. Okay, so here reading. Father is reading. In last class we have done which are the action words. Today I am just tracing out the action words. So underline reading. 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 Underline reading. Okay. Where is Rudra Aditya? Okay, Rudra Aditya De, where are you? Okay, beta, very good. Come on. Now let's go for the next one. That is, grandfather is sleeping. So here grandfather is sleeping. Sleeping is an action word. Underline sleeping. 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 Underline sleeping. Okay. Next, grandmother is praying. So last day we learned praying is an action word. Underline praying. 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 The action is been in continuous form. We can see that she is praying. তো যখন যে কাজটা চলতে থাকে তার সঙ্গে আমরা কি অ্যাড করি? ING. ওকে, সো প্রেয়িং। দিদুন কি করছে? এখনও পুজো করে যাচ্ছে। দিদুনের যদি পুজো হয়ে যেত তাহলে আমরা বলতাম প্রেড। ওকে, দিদুন যদি পুজো করতে যাচ্ছে তাহলে আমরা বলতাম শি ইজ গোয়িং টু প্রে। কিন্তু এখন কি করছে? দিদুন পুজো করছে। গ্র্যান্ডমাদার ইজ প্রেয়িং। উনি পুজো করছেন। শি ইজ প্রেয়িং। PRAYING. Next, Priya is writing. So she is writing. WRITING. Underline writing. Underline writing. Next comes Mohan is playing. Mohan is playing. So here the action word is playing. PLAYING. Underline playing. Underline playing. PLAYING. Mohan is playing. Here it's number 6. Number 6. Underline playing. Moyuk Maji, don't put pencil in your mouth. Please don't put pencil in your mouth. Next comes, the cat is drinking milk. Drinking. Okay, the action word is drinking. 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 The action word is drinking. Okay, I already informed you that in the last class we did action also, that drink. Drink is a action word. So here comes drinking. Next comes this one. The dog is chewing a bone. Chewing মানে চেবানো। আমরা ভাত ডাল খাবার কি করি? দাঁত দিয়ে কি করি? চিউ করি। চেবানোকে কি বলে? চিউ। সো দ্য অ্যাকশন ইজ গোয়িং অন। আমরা যদি একটা ডগকে একটা বোন দিই তাহলে ও কিন্তু ঘুরিয়ে ফিরিয়ে ওটাকে লিক করে আর চিউ করে। সো হোয়াট ইজ দিস লিকিং? লিকিং মানে হচ্ছে চাটা, বোনটাকে চাটা। দ্যাট ইজ কল্ড লিকিং। অ্যান্ড চিউইং মিন্স চেবানো। Chewing. So here the word has been given chewing. 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 Okay. Underline chewing. Underline chewing. Okay. So on page number 41, cooking, reading, sleeping, praying, writing, playing, drinking and chewing, which are written in red ink, which has been written with red ink, are action words or doing words or verb. Now let us go for the next page, that is page number 42. Students, please open page number 42. Page number 42. Yes, very good. Now let us start with the first sentence. Rekha is combing her hair. So here comes the action word combing. C-O-M-B-I-N-G. Combing. Okay. Next comes the word Sohan and Mohan are playing in the garden. Sohan and Mohan are playing in the garden. So over here again we receive the action word playing. Number 10, playing. Okay, so underline playing. Underline playing. Written with red ink. Next comes the cats are mewing. So already we have learned sounds of animals, and those sounds which they are taking out. Aishwarya Chatterjee, please turn off the camera. Aishwarya Chatterjee, please turn off the camera. So take your breakfast and then after you turn on the camera. Please turn off the camera. So here comes mewing. Mewing মানে যে আওয়াজটা বার করে, ঠিক আছে, that is also an action. Okay, cow moves, action. Dog barks, action. Horse knees, action. So sounds of animals are also a type of action. So here kids, the cats are mewing. So mewing is an action word. So underline mewing. Underline mewing. Next comes the ducks are swimming. So already we have learned the ducks are swimming. Swimming is an action word. So please underline swimming in your textbook. Underline swimming. Okay, very good. Come on. Now next comes Rani is dancing. Rani is dancing. So dance is a action. So here comes the ing word dancing. Dancing is an action word. Underline dancing. Okay. Next comes Mahesh is cycling. So we can see that the boy is cycling, or you can say riding. Okay. So usually we ride cycle, we ride scooter, we ride bike, and we drive car. Okay. So here the word cycling has been used. So here comes the word cycling. It's an action. While riding a cycle, we need to move our legs. We need to hold the handle with the hands. So that is also an action. So cycling is an action. Okay. Underline cycling. Next is uncle is driving the car. Uncle is driving the car. So here comes the word driving, which is an action word. Driving, action word. Underline driving. Moyuk Maji, underline. Don't play with your pencil, beta. Driving. Underline driving. And the last sentence, the birds are flying. As I told you in our last class, fly. Fly is an action word. So flying. Underline flying. Underline flying. Okay. So students, today's activity. What activity you will do? Today's activity is, after this class, you will open page number 41 and page number 42, and you will read all these 16 sentences on your own. Okay? You have to do reading practice of these 16 sentences on your own in front of your parents. Okay? Understood? নিজে নিজে পড়বে মা বা বাবার পাশে বসে, আর মা আর বাবা কিন্তু তোমাকে হেল্প করবে না। এখন তুমি যথেষ্ট ভালো রিডিং পড়তে শিখে গেছো। সো ইউ হ্যাভ টু read on your own and show your parents that you are very good reader. So are you a very good reader? Yes or no? Hello? Yes or no? Who will write me in the chat box? Who is going to do the activity? Very good. Very good. I am getting lots of response and all these students are going to do it. Excellent. Very good. Those who have done the classwork and those who have underlined the words, that's very nice. I can see some of the students have sent the task. Very good, beta. So your activity will be to read these 16 sentences in front of your parents on your own. Okay, যতক্ষণ না তুমি নিজে পড়বে ততক্ষণ কিন্তু নিজে পড়া শিখবে না. So I would request all the parents, let them read on your own. You will, if they cannot, যদি বাচ্চা পারছে না, আপনি একবার দেখিয়ে দিন, দ্বিতীয়বার তৃতীয়বার ওকে নিজে পড়তে দিন, কেননা ও যতক্ষণ না নিজে পড়বে ততক্ষণ কিন্তু ও কোনো দিন পড়া শিখবে না. So let the child learn. Our object, our motto is to make them self-dependent. আমরা সারা জীবন ওদেরকে আমাদের উপর ডিপেন্ডেন্ট রাখবো না, ওদেরকে আমরা সেলফ ডিপেন্ডেন্ট করব. দে আর জিনিয়াস, সো দে ক্যান ডু দেয়ার ওয়ার্ক অন দেয়ার ওন. So I would request all the parents, please see that they can read all the 16 sentences on their own. Thank you parents, thank you students. I will be back again with your science class. Bye bye students.